Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana continues to be in the sideways range. I know it is frustrating. It is frustrating price action, but it's been forecasted that this is a sideways range, and we likely are going to see a little bit more up and down in this sideways range, which is defined between 119 and 190 USD, and I'm tracking it as a wave 4. And this is very consistent with previous updates, in which already in March or at least April, we've been talking about this as a wave 4 correction. And wave 4s, we know that they are typically sideways corrections, and they are boring, and they produce fake outs, all sorts of stuff. They're usually choppy and not easy to trade within, okay? What else? I mean, again, there are two ways of how corrections can unfold. Corrections can unfold as triangles, so in this case then sideways corrections, or even corrections over time. That would be a triangle, that would be this sideways correction, or correction over price. And this is what the white count would be. So if we break below $119, which is currently not expected, but it is a decent likelihood because triangle patterns tend to morph. Remember, corrections are 5-wave structures, or triangles are 5-wave structures, and each of these waves is a correction. A, B, C, D, E. And this is extremely messy, and these triangles, they tend to morph. I mean, all corrective waves tend to morph. And if you have 5 waves and all of them are corrections, then you know that there could be plenty of transforming going on before actually the wave 4 finishes. And it's quite simple. As long as we hold above $119, it's expected to be a triangle. Below 119, we have to prepare for a deeper decline to $109 or lower. I mean, there are other support levels, but we're far away from that. But this would then be a larger flat correction as indicated in white. Also a wave 4, so it wouldn't change the overall assumption, but it would be seen as a different type of wave 4. A, B, C. We don't want to focus on that one. As long as we're holding above 119, we can keep it simple and we focus on the triangle. Most recently, the triangle bottomed here in wave C. We talked about the triangle breakout that happened, not the triangle breakout, the trend line breakout, and it was quite a nice rally. Then, however, obviously buy the rumors, sell the news, you know it, Solana ETF stuff. That was most likely a bit of a catalyst for that rally. And I'm calling that an ABC structure complete. Would have preferred one more high in this wave C, but it came down to low. So I have to assume an ABC structure is completed. That would be the A wave. Again, a larger A wave in 3 waves of that D wave. Now the decline is likely also an ABC structure in wave B of the D wave. And the resistance for wave B in the larger B wave is between $143.47 and $148.29. The price is already getting rejected from that resistance area, but could still easily push a little bit higher. And then, if we get one more low, then we have an ABC structure in B, possibly targeting 136 or 132. Could go down to 128, but below 128, I have to assume that something more bearish is going on. Okay, so that would be the first warning. If price now breaks below $128, that would be the first warning that something bearish is going on. Or, I mean, there's still a chance then to find support at 119, but it will not be great, And also, don't mistake this for a great setup. This is not a great trade setup. This is based on a 3-wave rally. The one that was decent was when I told you that this is a 5-wave move up. We're watching for a pullback and then a breakout, because this was 5 waves up. Now this is 3 waves up, the whole thing now. So I'm still watching for higher, but again, best setups come after 5 waves. So the next best setup is likely going to be 5 waves in wave 1 of C, then the 3-wave pullback, for which I will offer a support area if that 5-wave move happens. Okay, setups based on 3 waves can work, but less probable. Still decent reward to risk though, and I think it is reasonable to assume that the D wave goes higher, right? It's just a question of, does this subdivide in any other way? But yeah, that's the update at the moment. So that means as long as we're holding 128, higher is expected. Below 128, 119 is the invalidation point of the triangle. That's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.